those hawks. Hello guys, let's go drive this 540. Let's do some POV driving of this car with my brother Mitki 4A, Mitkicha. And let's go drive. Here are the keys. I'll go and start it up. Let's go drive this 5-speed manual 540i. Always put your seat belt. Always take these local activities on the track.
Have fun.
Have fun. Be careful. Some spin. How can I drive with these speed limits? Fucking shit. No shit talking, only driving. It's not full throttle. Motion stuff. Прехвърля тежестта. Не е баш като на E34, където не прехвърля. Endless acceleration.
Yeah.
Long gears. Как се прехвърля змията назад, Miko, I'm still filming?
Yeah.
How are you, Miko?
It was to check on.
think it's interesting to other people seeing a guy with a helmet.
Safety first.
When driving 540i, you should be careful because it drives a lot, and you forgot that your car actually is putting petrol on the asphalt. It's burning in like shit, and you can run out of petrol very easily. Come on, Peugeot. What? Vanos technology. But it's pretty responsive even without vanos. Ooh, nice turn. Nasty bitch. Has some body roll. Even with M Technique. That's why people remove M Technique and put some really low Bilstein and use M5. I don't know the word. Stanga. Strut bar maybe. If I have remember from the games. Oh, beautiful nature. This 540 compiles with all the modern EU standards for emission regulation.
Euro 8.
Let's release the engine. You have always to check this needle not to go too high, because you will get your engine burning inside like hell. I'm still filming.
Yep.
Alright, homie. Let's go. But winter tires trying to kill us. You have to fuel the car. And when it starts transferring too much weight, you should release the steering wheel back. That's why they call this car killing machines, because if I was in 1.9 A3, I wouldn't feel such thing.
Only understeer.
Adrenaline feeling. 180. Of course, that was done on closed roads.
Yeah, with professional drivers.
With professional drivers. We have paid for that part. But some bastard didn't know and he went in opposite direction. Police is not doing its job I paid for. We're closing the road. When it gets hot, the winter tires get really sticky. They're super, tell me the word, mech.
Soft.
Super soft, and the car goes like bolt. It's not stiff. It's super hot today, so winter tires is the baddest thing you can put in your tires, on your rims. I personally don't need more horsepower than this because I'll crash. That's pretty enough. I need more handling, but that's because of tires. If I put proper tires, M Technique will be enough for non-track use. How do you feel in this car, bro?
I feel good.
You feel good? You feel adrenaline?
Yeah.
I love this. I don't love highways because on highways it's super boring. You have nature here. You have nice roads, twisty road.
You have trees.
You have trees which respond to the engine noise. They give back the noise to you. And you know why you are burning this fuel for.